Hiya, this is Sophie from Digital Learning, and I'm here to show you a few tricks when taking photos on your iPhone. The first tip is about quick ways of accessing the camera app. You can swipe from right to left on your lock screen and it pops up. Or you can swipe up to get the control center and access it through that. Go to Settings, find the camera app, and turn on grids for better composition. When you first open the camera, the phone keeps hunting for focus as you move your phone. Let's say I want to focus on Rachel though. I can tap on her face and keep that pressed for a couple of seconds. The focus is now locked on Rachel. As long as I keep the same distance from her, she will be in focus. Turn the flash off and use natural light. You can change the settings here and turn the flash off. Once you've focused up your photo, slide your finger up or down on the screen to respectively lighten or darken the photo. High dynamic range allows you to still see some detail in the shadows, without overexposing lighter parts of the image. Keep it on or on auto for better exposure. If you take the photo by using the volume button, you're likely to get more stable shots. If you have a tripod, you can also use the self-timer function for sharper photos. You can also use portrait mode in order to achieve a blurry background. For this, you're going to have to stand a bit further from the subject, focus up and expose the photo as before, and then press the shutter. I hope you found this tips useful, and we'll see you in the next one.